Come on in. I'm making coffee. Can I get you some? So I'm heading to Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto for about 15 days in total. And yeah, I'm super excited. Never been, but I can't wait to try all the food and explore all the sites. So come on in. Let's get packing. I start piecing outfits together based off of first the weather. So my jackets, I had to build my outfits around my jackets this time. Unpacking is pretty satisfying. I like to do it the day that I get back because otherwise it'll stay in your suitcase for like 10 days. I'm gonna show you my airport look first. This is my airport look. Super comfy. I have like a big vintage black tee and then vintage pants, wearing my Air Force and a vintage trench. So I'm wearing a Lovers and Friends sweater that I got from Revolve. I have these vintage trousers, a pair of high boots, and this belt. I'll be wearing this in Kyoto. So I'm doing a tonal look, neutrals, and then the same trousers and boots. I make sure to pack anything that I would wear more than like 3 or 4 times since I'm going for 15 days. Just want to make sure I'm recycling all of my product and yeah, utilizing it to its most, otherwise it doesn't deserve the space in my luggage. I feel like I get flustered. I can get flustered pretty easily, so I just want to make sure that everything is planned out so that I just have no time to like get confused or lost, or just like I feel a lot more at ease at every step of the way. One workout outfit, because you never know. I have a couple of these Hanes Carla t-shirts that I freaking love. Super basic, but love it. Japan has been on my list of places to go see for as long as I could remember. I think 3 things that I'm really interested in getting out of this trip would be to really just get in touch with like my heritage. So it's learning about the culture. I'm excited to do like a tea ceremony, and like even going to all the shrines is something that I'm really excited to do. Super excited to travel with all of these CALPAK items because it just makes life so much easier, stress-free. I also got these really cool like little deodorizers. I use them in my boxing gloves. I use them in like a bunch of different areas, but they're really cool and small and handy to bring along. I'm like stick to the itinerary. I will choose a day where it's a free day, and then so I don't feel stressed out and like I can just do whatever we want that day. But for the most part, I try to plan everything like day to day. I'm ready to pack some toiletries. So bringing some post poo-poo drops from Aesop. Making sure the bathroom stays fresh. I don't know if you know, but Japan has like the smallest bathrooms. Sometimes the toilet and the shower are in the same room, so it can all get wet, but essentially like just really close spaces, so making sure to be good to each other. This is my ultimate favorite face wash. It's a very like clean face wash that I use. I'm very like acne prone and have really like sensitive skin, so this is like my go-to face moisturizer. This is a little Diptyque perfume. It's a rub-on. The best thing about this spray is that when it's hot and you're using like powder or roll-on ones, they kind of get everywhere or melt. So this one is amazing for like all types of situations since it's just a nice little spray. For the airplane when I get all stressed out and that everything is like super dry, so just making sure keeping my skin calm. My contacts. Cannot go without my contacts. It's so luxurious. Super excited to use it. My carry-on backpack that I'll be taking, my travel wallet. So I'll be getting currency soon before I leave for the trip, so I'll be adding it to here, but I already have my passport. I utilized the CALPAK bag that I got with my little carry wallet, and I just packed a couple like a bra, a couple pairs of underwear, and socks just in case anything happens with my luggage. So I love these stasher bags. They're amazing. They're reusable Ziploc bags, but I'm making sure to bring my own snacks. I have tea, some other adaptogens that will help me stay kind of like level-headed when I'm there. So I am bringing my hand sanitizer. It's a lavender hand sanitizer, just a spray, but super necessary. Oh, more hand sanitizer. Ready to go. All right, just finished packing and just gonna relax now. So have a good one.